Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Sephoraplay.
And we're doing back-to-back videos, and it is super hot. It's 90-something in California, and without the AC running to save money, it's super warm in here.
Trying to wait till the actual summer to put it on, but it was like 60-something last week, I think, and then it turned to being like 80, 90s.
And we're trying to come up with ways to stay cool. Normally we'd go swimming if we had the opportunity, but I know the pool we normally go to isn't heated and it's probably still cold because it takes several weeks to warm it from the sun. So
that's what that looks like, and
we're
I will
waiting to
hand
do
that
that
to you. So it's kind of funny because we were just filming Glossy Box, and in that one it had some tattoos. This one has some stickers in it. So I'm guessing that's just like a bonus, bonus items. Or what did I say in the other one? Did I say stickers?
No, you said tattoos. I'm
Oh,
saying
okay.
I'd rather the tattoos than
yeah.
I see your favorite mascara.
But okay, so opening it, that's what it looks like, and I'll just start pulling stuff
I'll
out.
show you guys this.
So I have I want to say It Cosmetics. Is it called it?
It's Secret Sauce?
Yeah. It's Secret Sauce.
It says a rich formula that helps skin hold onto moisture and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
I really want to say It Cosmetics, so I don't know why. Sorry,
because it's by It Cosmetics.
But it doesn't say Cosmetics.
Yeah, but on here it does.
Away? Oh,
so.
Okay. So I was not tripping. Okay. Just the second thing, this is probably the bonus thing, is Verb Go shampoo and conditioner. I use so much conditioner, it's not even funny, and especially now that my hair is blonde, I'm using like quadruple.
It says, never forget, a boost to your hair can be a boost for your mood. This moisturizing duo weightlessly cleanses, detangles, and smooths strands.
So I might like just give that to my husband or something. Or put it in giveaway, one of the two. I have Dr. Andrew Whale for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Hopefully I'm not messing up that name.
No, you said it good, I think. This light calming lotion uses a mushroom-infused formula to reduce the look of redness, aka help your skin chill out.
And then I have Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydro Smoothing Lipstick. Bare Minerals, did I say that right?
Yeah, honesty, sorry. Where did I get honey? It says, worthy of that coveted spot in your everyday bag. This vegan lip color and treatment combo nurtures skin while providing rich color in one swipe. I swear, I think the heat's getting to me. But the colors,
yeah, I might just put that in a giveaway because, like, Lord knows we have a lot of lipsticks. Okay, and then Believe's Moisturizing Eye Balm, which the lid's a little crooked, wouldn't you say?
That's funny. Oh yeah, it looks like the lid's like not on quite right. But it's got tiger grass in it, which is in my video I had tiger grass.
My sister was just telling me that she's eye cream she needs, and I've got a infinite amount of eye cream, so I might just give you that one.
Oh, well, I love eye cream. I have an abundance of them, I feel like, but I go through them a lot
and
quickly.
The last thing I'm pulling out, what she said, is yes, I love these. The benefits, they're real. I am currently wearing that mascara. So
that's your favorite one right now, right?
It is my favorite.
Okay, so
yeah, so that's good because I've got tons of them, but I'm sure they'll eventually dry out and I can use it.
This is so sad too. It's this class of 2020, and I'm like,
yeah, my son was supposed to graduate next month on May 28th, and because of the COVID, they're not going to be having a graduation. They're going to be doing a digital production for each of them. So they said they may do one in December or sometime later, but otherwise my other two children got to graduate, with a graduation, and so he's the third and not able to do that.
And then my kids, my younger ones, are in 7th and 8th grade, and so my 8th grader is going to be going into high school, and we're like, okay, is he actually going to make it into high school, or is there not going to be like a high school to make it into because everything's stay at home kind of thing. And then my daughter, she's going into 8th grade, but she'll be going to that same school, but her teachers were like, no, homework's not mandatory. Well, do your homework. Oh no, it's extra credit. It's so confusing right now. And so we get a lot of messages, probably like 5 a day from the school or school district. So it's kind of stressful a little bit. But if this video was fast enough for you, not to give you a downer right there, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways. Hopefully we'll do one after all this COVID is over with. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Stay safe, healthy, and take care.
Bye.